Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Firefox using sync with passphrase, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Firefox using sync with a passphrase, begin by opening your Firefox browser. Click on the menu button in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Firefox Account section. If you haven't signed in yet, click Sign in to Firefox. Enter your email and password associated with your Firefox account. After signing in, scroll down to the Sync section. Here, you will see an option for Use a Passphrase. Click on Use a Passphrase to enable this feature. You will be prompted to create a strong passphrase. Make sure your passphrase is memorable yet complex enough for security. After typing your passphrase, enter it again to confirm. Once confirmed, click Save. This passphrase will encrypt your sync data, adding an extra layer. If you need to authenticate later, simply open Firefox and click on the menu button. Select Settings and then Firefox Account. If prompted, enter your email and password again. After signing in, you will be asked to enter your passphrase. Type your passphrase carefully and click Sign in. You are now authenticated and can access your synced data securely. Make sure to remember your passphrase, as it's needed for any future logins or device connections. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate to Firefox using sync with a passphrase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.